as a family.
Hey,
Yeah.
that's not what I told you to do now.
No, I'm just trying to give him a second chance. Second chance. At least.
Yeah, I'm waiting for you inside, okay?
Blood of Jesus.
Brother, me go. Come on.
Sorry, yo.
What's up, my people? It's OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reactions. So guys, let's go check out this comedy compilation and see how fun it's gonna be. So make sure to stick to the very end. Drop nice comments, subscribe. So don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Oga, I beg na, I don't do na since when I dey I be woman, I beg na.
My friend, keep quiet there. Keep quiet there. Shut up your mouth. If I deal with you, if I deal with you, rubbish.
Oga, now they stress me for here. I be baby, you.
I be
baby.
Ah, Oga. Oga, oh. No be this month wait Chief Aguje be saying go send us the money.
The man chief. Chief don't travel go abroad though. Chief that abroad they tell me say make I send an Oyibo account go send us $. I got Oyibo account now they do this time work. I got account go fit collect $. That investment I no go lie for you.
Baba, bring the D come. I go chase the dollar, send you your naira.
My friend, keep quiet there. Criminal. As the people who never chop, I go take collect $.
Baba, listen to me. For the fact that your steal they smell for compound, no mean say I broke. Not be my fault. Now please I will not get all done. Bring the job come.
Okay, come on. If I give this money, I want to bring and come.
Baba, listen to me, oh. My answer be like first round. You know the waste time come. Bring work come. Baby, be here. Baba, try him.
Try him. Maya, come out. Is there going to collect the money?
Baba, active.
Come out.
Acting.
Come that fast. See, if anything happen to this transaction, if we reach station, what I go do you no go believe her.
Baba, no worry. People they believe my answer like choosing miracle. Bring job come for me.
Give them information send account number you go send for chief. Fast, I beg. Collect your phone.
Put your account number here. Send them for him. Show US answer. Check. You don't drop $2,000. What? Baba, paste me your local naira answer.
I be this.
Osaka. I don't run and confirm him. You don't come on.
Don't receive him.
You don't go.
30%.
This boy are correct boy. See, for this thing you do now, you are free to go. You be better person, you are free to go,
Thank you, boss.
Correct guy. Our guy. What is this other
What?
people they do?
While I go sup now.
To check their case file, oh. See, I'm fake up.
Who be Karo Kat? You go be this one.
Son of me.
Karo Kati arrested because she caught her husband cheating and poured acid on him. He says to be wicked person. No, he says to be wicked person. Man, when marry you, keep it for house. Just small cheating, he pour acid. If we reach station, I don't go even treat you like woman. Useless wife. Maza Abu. Now him be this now. Maza Abu arrested for dragging land with his late brother's son. And this has people there. No, it sounds like people wicked. You bad person. So because your brother die, if you be saying like you kill yourself, if they drag land with the son, small pikin, you be bad person. You be bad person. No worry, no worry station. You go see how they treat elders. Useless man. Ndo baby.
You go be that one guy now.
Okay, that might help us. Correct boy. That will see if that way how we want to collect $. Now better person. Arrested for fake transaction of 10 million that reversed after 2 minutes. Yeah. Check that money.
You go reverse. You go reverse.
Baba, listen to me. For miracle to shower, no be by power. But trust me, if Jehovah Jireh dey your side, your blessing go long like a delicate size. Arrest my case.
As a man. Even come, my God, even join Adeleke for today. Senior.
Hello, my name is Tommy. What's your name, please?
I'm Esther.
You? Oh, baby, you're back.
Don't you baby me. Just to go use the restroom and you're already talking to another lady?
Oh, she was asking me for help.
Just
She was asking for help. You collected her number. Don't lie to me. You collected her number.
Stop, I didn't collect her number.
Have you forgotten? We've been dating for 7 years. I know when you are lying. Let me have your phone.
Stop it, I did not collect her number.
Don't get me angry this minute. Let me have your
Babe, please, don't spoil the mood now.
You already ruined me.
No, please, sorry to interrupt, please. Sir, I know that blue car parked right there. No, I didn't come with a blue car. Oh, sorry.
Fine, don't try me. Don't. What is this now?
So, hey! Let's say don't spoil show.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't know you were trying to propose to me.
What time you say you won't propose?
Now, they call and go. Now, if they always turn up.
But if you won't propose,
he go turn up.
you don't go do by force marriage.
Premier League matches and get cashback bonus.
This guy no gets. The guy tell you say you won't propose to the girl.
Edoboy, you get 300% bonus on your first deposit. And
You go put person for wahala. You say you be good.
50% cashback bonus every week.
You
What
be
are waiting
chicken.
for? Just start linking my highlights or link my bio.
This
To get
guy no
started.
get sense.
You need this food now. Please get this. I go give one quo. I go give one quo. Now give her. Now give her. Please now you this boy.
You know, I eat, so if not, they will give me.
See, I go see that. I don't give you. See, I go say you take that. Please now. Please.
Motel, you no get sense.
You don't want it.
Yeah, give me now. I'm taking it home.
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
I will give one.
Madam, give me if you won't give me now. I'll give her.
This guy no get sense.
Kiriku, what happened? I won't be your friend now. What your mama cook? Rice. Go fetch cup for me before Uncle kill me. Okay. Fast oh.
Small boy with a big man sense. You know like me they give and stress. Kiriku no they take nonsense yo.
You bring him.
You know like me can give and stress. Oh, Kiriku no they take nonsense yo. Oh, small for body.
What you talk that now? I said I want to be your friend. Kiriku. I said I want to be your friend now. What you talk again? I said I want to be your friend. That's not a problem now. So you know my house? Yes. Go fetch another and come. I take God myself in the evening. Okay.
You be Mumu.
See me see wahala.
Just to be friends.
See me see palava. Kiriku don't show again. So mama topic and jeans. Kiriku na very very sharp.
Kiriku, you ain't for the come.
Go for my daily bread.
You see?
No.
You see me? Food not this house.
No problem.
You always say no problem. Say blast you don't chop for outside.
The problem the seafood give me.
I don't give you food.
Kiriku! So I'm gonna say my pikin make gonna take food for you, Abi?
Kiriku na truth.
My pikin, I don't know my pikin. What be your name? You be me I go fetch food come for you. After you just chop down food, because me I go fetch second one come for you make today the night. Yeah. I tell you say me go fetch, I don't tell you say me go thief.
See, you see from today, I don't want to see you near my pikin again. Did you hear me?
My pikin not David though.
Davido.
So Kiriku, you don't chop sis.
Hello.
Yo.
He said that to the Nigeria.
Who's this little boy? Okay, sir. Actually, this is my son. This is like a product that I've been able to groom and nurture from the ground up to this level. Feed up with an embodiment of knowledge, intelligence, brightness, and future that can go into the world tomorrow and make the world shake. So I want to take this brain into this school and make this school large.
Names of food, names of food, names of food, I know.
You see that? Names of fruits, names of fruits. This is what I've been teaching him. I like
like that. Yeah, since it's this bright and intelligent, let me just call some of our best and bright students here so that they can rub minds together. Margaret! Blessing, please come.
Hey, bless.
Such a bright kid. Yeah, so Mazi, these are some of our bright students.
Names of fruit. I know.
You know, yes, I like that. Listen, quickly, give me one name of fruit.
Apple, sir.
Apple, that's good. Margaret, one.
Orange.
Yeah, you give me.
Egg.
Jesus! Hey! Egg.
This one is a boiled egg.
What? Jesus!
Yam.
Yes.
Yam na fruit.
Yam no be fruit now.
The boiled one.
Yes.
Oh, actually, sir, I must say yam. Most likely the boiled one in brackets.
Na beans.
What? Hey!
Beans na fruit now.
Okay, beans. The one with oil. The oil goes for vitamin. Beans is a fruit.
No. I can't stand there and watch you corrupt the morals of these little children that have been able to raise with high IQ. Please, let's go. Sabinus.
Why you talk beans?
You see your life?
This man for managing yam. You go to talk beans.
2 years house rent, you never pay me. I still carry you, recommend you where they go pay you money. You know still work. You know work. See picking where you come now. This one a fruit of the womb. When no sabi fruit. Sabinus. No come back from here. Emma, come house. Make you come carry your papa load. Return to Rambia so that when I go community. Hey!
Oh, MUMU not too much.
Sir?
4 orange.
Hello, sir.
Let me just go to work. Once I come back, I promise you at the top of.
What's going on here?
What are you doing here?
Brother,
I thought you say you were coming on Saturday.
I could not wait till Saturday. I thought maybe you needed me for something or... I could not wait now.
Babe, this is that my brother I told you was coming to stay with us.
What is your name?
Nice have it.
Steve.
Don't mind him. I think the journey is just telling him. Steve, just sit down and feel at home. I'm going to work. See, once I come back, you are the first on my list. Don't worry, okay? I need to go and work, man. I mean, you don't like this enjoyment.
Bye. Welcome to our home. I'm going to put something for you. So this is where you are at home now? I mean, this is where you are at home. That's made my brother want to call home for the past 3 years.
Why are you so hostile to me? What did I do?
You're asking me. Let me tell you something, bro to bro, My brother does not have plans to marry you.
Who wants to marry your brother? That woman rapper.
You called your father one of whom you say the breadwinner of my family, the emperor, the conqueror, the chosen one. Mine they call woman rapper. Jesus. My sister, you are leaving this house.
And to think I wanted to give you my food. Let me see you in my kitchen.
I'm carrying my bag. I'm going outside. I'll wait for him and I'll tell him how wicked of a person you are. My brother's house.
You just send your brother girls. You sure send your brother girls?
See what happened? What are you doing outside?
Brother, your woman chased me outside.
Chased you out of my house?
Life for you.
So why did she not chase you out?
Brother, she insulted you. She insulted Papa. She insulted Mama. She even insulted our full village.
You can't believe it. She must be out of her mind.
That's she even call you a woman rapper.
Jesus Christ. She called me a woman rapper.
Yes,
before
brother.
people would come here.
Brother, just take it easy, we are. You know we don't beat women in our family, please.
What I will do inside today, you're proud to have me as a brother.
Brother Pico, brother please, small. Yeah. Don't say never kill him, don't say never. But brother, I begged you now, We know they beat woman for our family now, I tell you. Hope she's okay.
Steve.
Yes?
I think you have to apologize to my woman.
But I go for peace. What do you mean I should apologize to her? She's the one that wronged me now. I told you now.
It's a pity for you.
Everything I'm telling you is for the betterment of we as a family.
Hey,
Yeah?
that's not what I told you to do now.
No, I'm just trying to give him a second chance. Second chance. At least.
Yeah, I'm waiting for you inside, okay?
Don't touch your button.
Lord of Jesus.
Brother, me go.
Come on. Sorry, yo. And they never leave.
Take off.
I have left you behind.
Somebody's talking about life here. You're saying simply. So what's up, guys? You can win crazy prizes on 1xbet by betting.
You don't get sense, Chris Clown.
Click on the link on my bio. Register with my promo code Dr.
Chris Clown, you don't get sense. They touch your battery, you start a
Go to
MUMU.
the bonus page called Pursuit of Scudetto and you click take part. Now place your bet on Serie A matches and you earn points. Now gather all the whole Scudettos in all divisions and you qualify for the draw. Don't forget promo code Dr. Craze.
Dr. Craze.
How far now?
Well, I'm going to come back. Why you see him?
I no come.
Which kind of you talk without me? Suppose know me, oh. I be bad girl. You don't talk about the date. You know, say I'm supposed to buy you. Because of saying that the love I get for you. Okay. No, use me play. Why dangerous? Photo. As it be like this, I feel date your cousin brother. You see all your friends. I will sleep with all of them. I will wicked you. I feel sleep with your papa. Let's say you don't know me. You don't come back. I know they come back.
No, I no come back.
I know you might not know me, but I'm your ex-cousin brother. I'm single. We can actually mingle.
Not follow me, Ebuka. Then you know they go. She call my name. Who call your name? You know, say even waiting elders down for ground, they see. You climb up, you don't go see him. May they go. Ebuka, not follow me. Nah, you're every day. Also go. Uncle, what do they do for you? Jesus. This not be greediness. Who locked that gate? I come from back. Where are you?
Call me greedy biggie.
The experience.
Who say I never come late?
I am fit. Run.
Why are you running?
They play.
All of them one knack. All of them one knack.
Hello, Daddy.
I've been calling you since now. What have you been doing?
Sir, I was praying before, sir.
Neighbor! The Lord is with you. Yeah, you are not getting any younger. You are going to 30.
How far, guy? Transfer this money and make a dick. Why get all that client with the wait for me now?
The barrier. Daddy, you know now, I don't trust all these Gen Z ladies. Let me tell you, may you find wife for me.
100,000 I'll give you. I not get to 150 to give you.
That will not be waiting me agree. Who made me crazy?
Cut call now.
Just complete
Cut
my
call.
make it come up for you. Because me, I no get home training.
You have to pay for already, body. Need a grandchild. Very important.
He has not even brought any wife. You are telling him you need a grandchild.
Set. We have a responsible wife for you, though.
Oh, baby, thank you.
Very reputable family.
That would be nice, sir.
So the introduction is this evening by 5 p.m.
Oyana.
My son, be fast, be fast. Your mother is waiting for you.
Introduction, just like that.
My son, you are welcome. As we told you on the phone, this is Honorable Reverend Chukudi.
Oh, bless you, sir.
And that's his lovely wife.
Oh, bless you, man.
And that's the responsible
and reputable daughter.
Bless.
Jesus!
Now the hookup girl, man. The hookup girl.
This guy has from the gun this one. Just complete my money, make it come up for you. Because me, I no get home training.
My son, do you know the kind of blessings that awaits you if you marry my daughter?
Now, Pastor became.
To be careful. Women are very desperate.
She's well screwed. Well mannered.
Hey!
Above all,
She is a virgin.
Jesus.
Hey!
Marry and go.
Bagam.
She doesn't know a man.
Hey!
Do you
Hey!
know a man?
No, mommy.
Have you kissed a man before?
No, mommy, me.
How can she know a man? In fact, before you people came, she was in her room reading Bible.
The best gift ever.
Sir.
You don't need to greet me. I know you are so happy.
I know you're in love with her already. I can see it in your eyes.
Thank you, my lord. God bless you.
Mommy.
Let's go straight to the point and tie them.
What have I done?
No, sir.
But what you say be your problem?
Brother, good afternoon, like I said.
Oh, what? Who be your brother?
Now I can buy the call your brother. My papa.
No, calm down. Come on, go straight to the point. Talk waiting bring you here.
I beg no verse. Like I said, my name is Festus. The reason why I won't join this court be say I no get mind. I want to make una give me mind. Okay. Because people they try me for outside. They believe my weight. I won't get weight. I won't join this on a black gang.
You want join black gang, you wear white come. You won't get mind, Abby. Simple and short.
Come on to an area,
I will give you now. If you go fee, carry that pass to go deliver. Automatically, your mind take. This thing so now 20 kg cocaine.
Cocaine?
Hey! Fam, what did they worry you? Go to that T junction. You go see person where we are black. Deliver him. He go give you money. If you come successfully, you are done.
No, don't come back.
No, don't come back. Come on, let's go there.
No, come. Which one everybody we are black?
What's the number?
I mean, they weren't confused. Today was just that. Madam, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I beg no verse. My name is Festus. You get one court where I just joined you. My oga give me cocaine. What? I want to deliver to person we are black for here. But I reach and everybody are black. I can't confuse. I beg no verse. I want to ask whether you.
Cocaine.
Cocaine.
How come you goof?
Mamu. It is me.
I beg go. Maybe me. Go that side. Wait for that place. Go meet them.
Bros.
This guy no get sense.
I beg, I've been the third that girl with it here. Say my name na Festus. I get one court where I just joined. New. So my oga give me package. He say na cocaine. He make I can't deliver them to person we are black. So the person will give me money, I bring for them. But as I reach everybody are black, I can't confuse. I beg, I won't just ask you now. You be the person. Okay, man, ask that side. Okay, no.
Are you mad?
This one's your face too innocent.
But when a police station you do.
I beg, I help you tell that man. I beg, no be me. I beg, you go to that side.
Everybody, no be me. Now one person. My sister, good afternoon. That court I just joined. I joined and new today. So my guys make I can't deliver this cocaine. Say if I reach here, say you go give me money, my bring for them.
Now who joined court? You joined court there. I did go and go.
It's okay.
I beg, shift me. I talk to better person. Bros, I beg no verse. Yes. Good afternoon. Yeah. I'm gonna tell your sister here.
Who is your sister? Can you your sister?
Calm down. Please, I just joined one court there. So my guys make I can't deliver this cocaine. Okay. Say if I reach, I say the person we are black. So I want just ask whether are you.
Yes.
Are you?
Yes.
Why you come inside since now?
Let me go and show you.
One, I make you go. Hey, the day they make noise, you notice I don't see the person. Papa, I don't come back.
That means the journey was successful.
Capo.
Come on, yeah, love the money now. Love the money.
Okay, coming to the money. I've been get small issue, but and I feel come now.
Boy, this one where you carry a kelebe lap, what is the problem?
As I read, like I tell you, everything be just complicated. Everybody we are black, I can't confuse. But this brother way they here, anytime he say no, the person was supposed to deliver them to. But first, he say make a car and show person will send me. Then they're very friendly. Nothing to fear.
Capone, you've been running away for the past 6 months. I've been tracking you. Today, we are caught up with you.
Nobody tell me. I see make I just can't show you person will send me.
My friend, could you shut up?
This guy don't get sense.
Jesus!
Okay, now you don't gotta go.
Wait, it's what happened here? They don't disappear.
Chama, no worry. At least we have one of their members now. Don't worry.
Move this guy.
Hey, Ogama, wait. First of all, I just joined today. I just joined this court today. They never teach me how to disappear.
Yeah.
This disappear when they disappear, I never learn now. I am just a new member. Okay, shut up your mouth, go. Madam, wait.
This guy don't get sense.
Just you two aside.
We will do two aside for saying, yeah.
Oh Jesus! I just joined today. I never learned disappear. You go learn that.
You don't get sense at all.
I get a lot of goosebumps when I.
Babe? Are you good? Are you sure you're good? My love, I know it's been 8 months since we last quarreled or had a fight. And I'm very sorry. Please forgive me. Do you want to fight?
Yes.
Women.
5-5.
MUMU. They never fight for a very long time.
They come and quit makeup.
Presido. Ah, MUMU. You not really get sense. No. You bring suya, I go to makeup.
To try. To try.
Oh, and I thought the suya finished. And they thought I used to speak for my who is the suya finished? Who is the suya finished? So now can't leave the carpet for me. More of my house. Now therefore, I'm in the house. Jesus.
You won't kill them as well too. What do you connect?
Look.
Funke, Jesus is Lord.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Jesus.
Mr. Mark, you're awake.
Get him some milk, shit. You see why?
I found the love for me.
Hey!
This evening you will die.
Well, this guy no get sense.
70 years old man.
Hey!
Hello. Baby girl, why are you crying? Is anything the matter? Talk to me now, I just want to help you.
It's thief.
Thief, where?
They stole my phone.
Somebody just collected your phone.
They just stole my phone. I bought that phone last week. My phone is still Pro Max.
I was a simple man. Okay, don't worry, let me help you.
How much is it? It's 3.6 million.
Why you do like this now?
Do you know him?
No, be when they collect an account for the other street.
Okay, I don't know you from anywhere.
Stop lying.
I don't know you.
Okay, let me collect her phone.
Now you took her phone.
So I say you no recognize this face.
I don't know him.
Jesus. You don't know this face. You're not catch with this.
Hey!
Babe, I can't wait to get married.
I was just too
Apparently will not approve. What do you mean? I thought you said your parents do not have an issue with my tribe.
No, it's not my parent though. It's my wife and my children.
Hey!
Mugbe will handicap.
Let this kid just I hear you want to tell me.
So you don't marry, carry him as
Madabutu patabutu. Oh, trukboko trumbere. Ah, Kataboy. The great Kataboy. I have come just as instructed that every last Friday of the month I should come to this very spot and drop your food. Yes, your food is here. Yeah. Kataboy. Kekenya toto yanya. Akataboy. Your food is here.
Have Fanta. 1,000 naira. Me will see Chinedu regime. Me will see T-Pain regime. T-Pain government. Half egg. No 1,000 naira, no Fanta. Watch up on. Carry the plates, nigga.
Better chop that one now. If you don't like him, go and store up.
A creative mind is a fertile land for growth.
If you don't get it, forget about
it. A creative mind is a fertile land for growth. Which kind of nonsense this thing? Ah, T-Pain. 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 You don't finish us for Nigeria, don't worry. You don't finish us. You don't finish us. Even God's man said, I don't see anything they sacrifice give gods anymore. This is so bad. I tell you. It's affecting everybody. They affect everybody. But anyways, you don't get choice. We got to leave. You understand? We got to leave. So anyways, thank you guys for sticking to the very end. I really appreciate you guys for that. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure to subscribe, drop nice comments, and share this video. See you in the next one. Peace out.